Ever wondered if there's a natural way to boost your health and even your love life? Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of a simple juice, watermelon and ginger. This isn't just a refreshing summer drink. It could change your health in ways you wouldn't expect. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy to make it. Let's get started with number 1. Watermelon. It's more than just a juicy summer snack. Beneath its bright red flesh and refreshing flavor, watermelon packs a powerful punch for circulation. And, believe it or not, this humble fruit has been nicknamed nature's Viagra. Why? We'll get to that in just a second. On to ingredient number 2, ginger root. Spicy, aromatic, and ancient in its healing power, ginger has been celebrated for thousands of years. But few people realize how it works as a potent stimulant for blood flow and even mood. Imagine the impact of combining these two powerhouse ingredients. What's the big secret? When you mix watermelon and ginger, they create a juice with unique properties that support men's and women's health in surprising ways. For men, it may help with issues like erectile dysfunction, a common issue with aging, high blood pressure, or medication. But how does it work? Here's where it gets interesting. Watermelon contains an amino acid called L-citrulline. Think of it as a natural fuel for your blood vessels, helping them relax and dilate. This effect increases blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and yes, it can support men in ways that many find life-changing. For women, this improved circulation can help promote organ health, protect against dizziness, and support overall well-being. And there's more. Ginger isn't just warming in taste. It also warms up the body, stimulating blood flow and acting as a natural aphrodisiac, a trick noted in the ancient Kama Sutra. The scent and flavor can even have subtle effects on the mind, creating a relaxed, positive state. Have you ever tried using food to set the mood? Combining these two ingredients into a juice not only supports your love life, but also brings a host of health benefits. So let's get to the recipe that could become your new daily ritual. Here's what you'll need: 1 watermelon, 1 inch of ginger root, and a few ice cubes. That's it. Simple, right? Step 1. Start by thoroughly washing the watermelon skin. Don't throw this part away. The green rind has chlorophyll and plenty of nutrients you'll want to keep. Step 2. Slice the watermelon into cubes, keeping the skin on. Take about 3 cups of it and add them to a blender along with 1 inch of sliced ginger root. Step 3. Add a few ice cubes if you're drinking it right away. Blend until smooth, strain if you prefer, and enjoy. This recipe serves about 2 to 3 glasses, so feel free to share or keep it all for yourself. Wondering how often you can enjoy it? You can drink this every day. It's delicious, refreshing, and an amazing way to start your morning. Not only is this juice hydrating, but it's also packed with vitamins and minerals. With every sip, you're fueling your body with essential nutrients. How's that for a morning boost? The antioxidants in this blend support a healthy libido, while some light exercise can further increase these benefits. Curious to know why? Improved blood flow means better oxygenation to all parts of the body. And if you prefer something more convenient, you can also find L-citrulline and ginger in capsule form, but you'll miss out on the fresh taste and added benefits of whole ingredients. Concerned about the seeds? No worries. They're perfectly edible and contain vitamins A and C, which offer even more health perks. Want to prep this ahead of time? You can store it in the fridge for up to 2 days, but the fresher, the better for retaining its natural benefits. Ready to take your health even further? Check out our other videos for more on the incredible benefits of watermelon and ginger. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Here's to great health, happiness, and maybe even a little extra romance in your life. So, will you be trying this juice? Let us know in the comments below. Wishing you health, happiness, and, as always, a life filled with vitality. Stay refreshed, stay curious, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. See you in the next video.